Here is a question from JEST 2014. We have a conducting sphere of radius small r and charge capital Q on its surface. If the charge on the sphere is doubled and its radius is halved, the energy associated with electric field will. Energy associated with the electric field for a conducting sphere of radius r and charge Q is Q square divided by 8 epsilon naught r. Now it is said that the new radius is half and new charge is Q prime is 2Q. Charge is doubled and radius is halved. Therefore E prime will be equal to 2Q squared divided by 8 pi epsilon naught r by 2. This is equal to 8 times Q square divided by 8 pi epsilon naught r, which is equal to 8 times E. Therefore the energy increases by 8 times.